Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tamara, as you know, and today we got a great brand new wig to show you. You guys will be blown away. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Now let's get into it. So our newest product to our wig line is our Nano Lace. This is a skin-like lace. What does that mean? It blends in seamlessly with the skin. The hairline is not thick or bulky, giving you that pre-pluck look. I know every woman out there wants that natural hairline, and to go in and pluck hair, who wants to do that? So we created this product just for you. Let's go in the box and see what's inside. So the first one is Aquila. It is 16 inches and it is a curly wig. So let's open it and see what's inside. We also upgraded our packaging. So if you look, it comes in a really nice box. On the back, it's gonna show you how many variations and styles that we do have. Also, how to care for the wig. This wig does come with an elastic band and the lace is free part. So let's open it on up. So this is it straight out the pack, and as you can see, it is almost like a 4B curl pattern. It is very full, very nice. It does come in 9 different colors. The lace, this is the brand new Nano Lace. So it is very thin. And also the knots on this wig is extremely small. It is very fine, so that means that it's gonna give you that illusion like the hair is growing out of your head. Let's flip it on the inside so you can see a little bit more. And this one is our 13 by 6. With our 13 by 6, we've given you more parting space. We have given you deeper sides on this wig to allow you to create deeper parting and also give you those trendy baby hairs. All these wigs are featured with an elastic band, which allows the wig to be glueless. Because this lace is so thin, all you have to do is put the wig on and attach your elastic band around your head, and you don't even have to use glue. It appears flawless. It does have a breathable cap on it. It also comes with 3 combs, 1 in the back and 2 on the sides. Let's open the next one. This one is Sirus. It is 28 inches, and this one is more of a curly, maybe you could say deep curl wig. It's very full again, and it does have that nano lace attached to it. It's long. And again, the lace is very stretchy. You do get that pre-plucked appearance at the front. Because the knots are so thin, the entire wig looks pre-plucked. So that's gonna give you that natural look that you ladies are looking for. This one is our 13 by 4. So you're gonna get that 13 by 4 center lace, and the perimeter is gonna be like a lace front, which is about 1 inch. But this wig is really beautiful. You do get those gorgeous baby hairs at the front. And let me tell you, you don't really have to do much to this wig. Really just put it on, apply your glue, and you're ready to go. Just because of that new nano lace that's attached to this wig. Again, all these wigs are gonna come with the standard elastic band, 3 combs with that breathable cap on the inside. This is our Astra in 30 inches. This is the longest one that we have in the Nano Lace. And remember, all of these wigs are glueless. They do have that natural hairline. This one is a 13x4, but we do have the 13x6 that has that deep sides, and it is that knot-free illusion, which makes the wig undetectable. It also has no bulkiness, so that means that the hair is gonna lay flat because of that small knots and that improved nano lace. So let's open this one. And again, they're available in 9 different colors. We do have the black cherry, which is that color right here. So this is a subtle body wave. You could consider this as a body wave. Again, it is in the color P430. The lace on this one, again, it is that nano lace, that undetectable nano lace that melts in perfectly with the skin. It is our 13x4. So as you can tell, you do have that 4 inches in the middle, and you do have your sides. This one is gonna give you that lace front illusion again, like you do have a full lace, but this is perfect for the beginners or the women who do not like all that fuss with dealing with a full lace wig or a lace front wig. This one is more easy to put on, and this hair, guys, is really silky. It's really nice. It feels like actual human hair, but it is not. These wigs are 100% premium synthetic fiber. It is heat safe up to 350 degrees. So if you want to change the style, you can go ahead. Just be careful not to put it on high heat. This is Monica in the length 26 inch and also in the color gingerbread. So you do get that beautiful ginger color, spot on. It's not too light and it's not too dark. To me, this is the perfect shade of ginger. This does come in a water wave pattern. It is very beautiful, very luscious. As you could see, our model in this package, it looks like it's growing out of her scalp. And again, this wig is amazing. The lace is very stretchy. That's how you know that it's gonna blend perfectly with the natural hair. And as I said again, as you can see, this wig is flat. I have one right here. This is Seren, which is in length 26 and the color latte. And as you can tell, it's perfect. I just took it out of the bag and put it on the mannequin head, but as you can see, it lays perfectly flat. If I flip this piece over, again, there's no bulkiness. You don't have to go in and hot comb anything. Basically, this is a ready to go wig. Take it out the box, put it on your head, and you're ready to go. Again, beginner friendly wig. And remember, they all do come with that elastic band that is in the inside to secure it directly to your head. And it's also very comfortable. The lace is super thin, and what we have done, we engineered it to have less material in the spacing of the hole. So each knot is perfectly hand tied to the lace, creating that skin-like illusion. So this one is Monica 26 inch, and it is that 13x6, which is giving you that deeper part on the sides. So perfect for those who want to rock those baby hairs and the, you know, the little sideburn on the end. You definitely can do it with this wig, and the hair feels very human-like. So this wig will last you a good while. That's it for this one. And moving on to our Seren. This is a beautiful, bouncy barrel curl. I can consider this one more of a J-Lo look, but this is beautiful. And again, it does give you that knot-free illusion, the skin like lace. I guarantee you, once you put this on, girls, you guys won't go to another wig. You will always go searching for these nano laces just because it is amazing. And it conceals very well. You don't even have to bleach the knots. I know these are synthetic, but all you have to do is apply your powder and you are ready to go. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and make sure you hit that like button, share these videos, and stay tuned for upcoming products. See you later.